You know, and if that's what we really want to be a part of, like the word that Dave shared last night, this current move, this current season of time that we're living in, for him to embrace what God's calling him to is going to cost him everything. And God's saying, are you willing to do that? You know, we can still be saved and go to heaven and not really participate in what the Spirit of God is doing in the earth. But there's a cry in my own personal heart that says, God, I want to do everything you've written down for me to do. I don't know what that all will cost me. You know, I've paid a price in some areas of my own life like you have. But because there's a part of me that wants to please the Father, I want to be one of those people who hear on that final day, good, well done, good and faithful servant. And that's the bottom line in all of this. God is seeking to wake us up.
Yes.
You know, there's some of us in this room today that really are pursuing God with all of our hearts, and many of us to a lesser degree. And he's saying, are you going to embrace what I'm doing in the earth? Another key element in what we're talking about that's a part of our region, and we can say that because two of us on this platform are from Michigan. Michigan's in a critical place. You know, and the Detroit-Dearborn area has the largest concentration of Arabic-speaking people outside of the Middle East. Rick Joyner's one of the prophetic voices that came in last year, and he said, as the Detroit area and as Michigan looks like right now, he said, we've got to shift this thing, because if we don't, the rest of the United States is going to look like that. Well, as a globe, women and men, what does that mean for us? You know, first of all, we hit our knees and we start praying and saying what God says to us. And then we become proactive. You know, we're a part of the region, so you're as much involved in it as we are, even though we may physically live there. When the revival hits, and there's beginning stages of it in the Detroit area, in March there were 22 days of revival meetings, and it ended with General Jerry Boykin was there on the 25th. God's beginning to move by His Spirit, but He won't do it unless we partner with Him. Unless we say, yes, God, I'll be the agent of change. I'll be the one that'll pray. I'll be the one that'll become proactive. There were evangelistic teams that went out on the streets the last week of the revival meetings in Dearborn Heights, and there were 30-plus people that came to salvation because somebody went and knocked on their door and told them, do you know that God has a plan for your life? And He cares about you. So we've been hearing that for the last however many hours we've been together. God's getting ready to reap a harvest. You know, all of this shaking is because He wants to establish His kingdom here on earth.